Welcome to an LCH Physics video assignment. Today, I will go over collisions. Collisions can be divided between elastic and inelastic. The difference between the two of them is fairly simple. For elastic collisions, the kinetic energy is the same before and after the collision, and the objects remain separate. This means that there are two final momentums, one for each object. For inelastic collisions, the kinetic energy is not equal after the collision. However, the two objects in the collision become one. This means that there is one final momentum for the two objects. The equation for solving inelastic collisions is the following. Momentum 1 plus momentum 2 equals momentum final. Or, if you break up the momentums into velocity and masses, mass 1 times velocity 1 plus mass 2 times velocity 2 equals mass total times velocity final. Here is a practice question that you can try. A 1,500 kilogram car moving at 23 meters per second right is in a head-on collision with a 1,000 kilogram car which is moving at 28 meters a second left. What is the final velocity of the two vehicles? That's how you solve this inelastic collision. For elastic collisions, it's a bit more complicated, as you have to substitute variables between inertia and energy equations. Thank you for watching this physics video that I was assigned to create.